Have you ever felt stuck trying to level up your cybersecurity skills? I've been there too. That's why FRIDRICK CYBER TECH is launching something transformative, a free virtual cybersecurity lab designed for learners, educators, and professionals alike. No expensive equipment, no borders, just full access to powerful simulations and hands-on tools wherever you are in the world. This fall, you'll be able to build, test, and strengthen your cybersecurity skills in real time on a platform designed to close the gap between theory and practical experience. It's more than just access, it's empowerment. Whether you're just starting out, teaching others, or leading teams, this lab is built for you. Free registration is now open, and yes, it's completely free. Sign up today, share it with your community, and be part of the next wave of cybersecurity innovation. FRIDRICK CYBER TECH, empowering the next generation